Hello everybody. These are not my traveler's notebooks. If that's not obvious, I've shown my collection in the past and these were definitely not in there. So these are actually the traveler's notebooks that belong to my immediate family members. So this one is my husband's and these are my two kids. And they did give me permission to show these. I'm not going to do like flip throughs or anything, but I just wanted to talk about, family members and just, people in your immediate circle and, how they feel about journaling and using traveler's notebooks and that kind of thing. So these two are A6 size and this is a pocket size, and all three of these are Mr. Darcy leathers. So this is the Titanic color, this is the Sweet Pea color, and this is the Toffee color. And I do have all of these inscribed with their names, so I've just put a little paper over that to just protect some privacy. So I think first I got my kids theirs because they're young and they were, so much more open to journaling like mommy does. And I got these, I think I got them all kind of early spring of this year. So they have some wear and tear on them for sure. And all of these are classic models as well. So there are no pockets on the inside whatsoever. And so for my kids, I wanted to get them traveler's notebooks just because they were so into mine anyway. And I thought it would be cute. And I tried to decide on a proper size for them because they're young and they're just, learning how to write and read, and, they mostly like to draw. But I wanted something that, would fit their little hands and, that they could use and kind of carry around with them if they wanted to. And so I finally just settled on the A6 size. And also because I knew it would be really easy to find inserts for them. And these are both set up kind of the same way. I got these Pentalic, like plain sketch notebooks. I think I got them at Michael's actually. They were only like a few dollars. And so I have this big thick notebook strung up on two strings, one string in the front cover and then one through the back cover. And then there's just random bits and bobs in both of these notebooks. So we've got like a shaker dashboard, and I actually this is just computer paper and it's not bound in any way. I just cut them down to fit in here, and it's just kind of extra scratch paper for them to use. And then there's this like random folder pocket that I got from Michael's as well, I think. Yeah, I think this is from Michael's. So yeah, what they do right now is they use these to just sketch, draw, they just have like random drawings and things in here. And anytime they go to activities and they get stickers, they will always come home and open up their journals, is what they call these, and they will put in their stickers to kind of collect them, because they know that whenever I have stickers or bits of ephemera or anything, I always paste them into my traveler's notebooks and my journals. So it's kind of a monkey see, monkey do kind of thing, which is adorable. And then, I've picked up little accessories and things when I'm just at the craft store, which they love and appreciate. And anytime I get anything for free, like a freebie in any kind of order, I will usually, I don't use whatever the freebies are, like charms and stuff. I definitely don't use those, but I can pass them on to my kids and they love to accessorize with stuff like this. So it doesn't go to waste and they really enjoy it. And this one is set up exactly the same way. It has the Pentalic and shaker dashboards, and there's drawings and stickers and washi tapes and stuff because they're just doing what I do. And this child also collects stickers that they get when they go to activities too. And yeah, they felt really, really special when I got them theirs, and they take care of it. Like, they keep it in a special spot and they always know where to find it. They just really enjoy these, and I think it's so fun when the three of us, we kind of sit down and we all have our journals out. I think that's kind of special. And then as far as my husband, I really, really thought that this was going to be a hit. You know, I thought I was going to get him on my side and he was going to love this. And bless him, he did try with this. I knew that I needed to get him a smaller size because he really values compact qualities of things, and being able to kind of carry things around in his pockets and stuff. And so I got him pocket size. And then I got him a bunch of field notes, and there are actually 7 field notes in here. A few of them are just jump banded together. But this did not succeed. He really tried with this, and he was making lists, and I think he even dabbled in some journaling, and like, I don't think he's journaled a day in his life, so that was going to be like a brand new thing for him. And it just didn't stick. And the thing that didn't work is that this was just too big and bulky. And you know, this can fit like 6 inserts without any kind of overhang, because it's cut so wide. And I think he's like me in that he likes to have things as flush as possible and as filled out as possible. But that meant that the spine was going to get really, really thick because it needed a lot of inserts in order to be flush on this edge. So he abandoned this, and I was like, well, I'm not gonna get him something else because I don't know what to do. I've already failed once, and I don't want to waste any more money unless I know that he's really wants something. So he took this out the other day, and he told me, you know, this is so cool, and I would really love to use something like this, but it's just way too big. There's no way I can slip this in and out of my pockets, even in his like cargo pockets. It just doesn't work out. This is too much. And then he said, I wish there was just something smaller. And I told him, well, you know, they make a size that is smaller, and it's called a Nano. And I happened to have this from the most recent second chance sale because I was just trying this out for myself to use as a wallet. So I pulled this out to show him, and I told him, you know, this size is a Nano. And when he saw the front, he said, oh, well, that's a perfect size. And then I kind of turned it to the side, and he was like, oh, I'm gonna pass because that's way too thick. But then of course I told him, well, you don't have to bulk it out like I do. And I told him, because he's gonna use it as more of like a journal and a note-taking device. So I said, well, you could just have a couple of these really tiny Moleskine notebooks in here. Like, you could just have 2, and it would be so thin, and this would absolutely slip in and out, you know, of a pants pocket. And so he was totally on board with that. And so because I knew that it was something he kind of gave me the go ahead on, and I got the okay from him, because this was a complete surprise. I just picked everything out myself and just wanted to surprise him with it. But he had a hand in picking out a size and everything. So I feel like I'm a little more confident now in choosing a traveler's notebook that would work for him. So possibly Christmas, we shall see. Anyway, nobody in my family or even extended family is into traveler's notebooks and into collecting journals and filling them up and archiving them as much as me. So it's, you know, I have this YouTube channel so I can connect with you guys and we can all kind of just geek out together on all of this, you know, leather stuff and journaling stuff. So I'm wondering what you guys do and what your experiences are with involving your family members in journaling or anything like that. Journaling, paper planning, just anything kind of analog. If you have shared interests with people in your family, and if they are into traveler's notebooks as much as you are, and I'm envious of that if that is the case for you. And let me know if you're in the same boat as me, where you're just kind of trying to bait them with pretty things and seeing if they'll come to your side. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.